Modern approach to herb cultivation. Introduction to herb hydroponics. Grow fresh herbs right at home with hydroponics. Turn any corner into a green sanctuary and effortlessly boost your meals and health. Ready to start your indoor herb garden? Let's dive in. History of hydroponics. Hydroponics, growing plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water solutions. Origin, dates back to the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Modern hydroponics gained prominence in the mid-20th century, evolving into a sophisticated cultivation technique. Types of hydroponic systems. Wick systems, simple, low maintenance, ideal for beginners. Deep water culture, DWC roots suspended in nutrient solution, effective for fast-growing herbs. Nutrient film technique, NFT, continuous nutrient flow over roots, compact and efficient. Ebb and flow systems, periodic nutrient flooding, versatile for various herbs. Aeroponics, roots suspended in air, misted with nutrients, efficient water usage, excellent oxygenation. Advantages of hydroponic gardening. Increased growth efficiency, optimal nutrient delivery, precise environmental control. Water conservation, efficient water usage, recycling nutrient solutions, minimized evaporation. Year-round cultivation, grow herbs regardless of seasonal changes. Setting up a hydroponic herb garden. Choosing the right system, consider space, budget, and herb varieties. Selecting herb varieties, choose from basil, mint, parsley, cilantro, oregano, based on culinary needs and growth characteristics. Nutrient solution and pH levels. Nutrient solution, balanced mix of macro and micronutrients for plant growth. pH levels, essential for nutrient absorption, maintain between 5.5 and 6.5 for most herbs. Monitoring, regularly test and adjust pH to optimize plant health. Maintenance and care. Lighting requirements, use LED grow lights for proper spectrum and growth. Optimal temperature and humidity, crucial for robust growth, flavor, and aroma. Preventing pests and diseases, implement integrated pest management, maintain cleanliness, use organic control methods. Harvesting and utilizing hydroponically grown herbs. Harvesting techniques, harvest at the right stage, handle gently, and consider root pruning. Preservation and storage, use drying, freezing, or oil preservation methods to maintain herb freshness. Culinary uses, create infused oils, herb butters, vibrant salads, and flavorful sauces with fresh herbs. Conclusion. In conclusion, hydroponic herb gardening is simple, sustainable, and incredibly rewarding. Why wait? Create your own lush garden at home and enjoy fresh, flavorful herbs all year round. With Herb Hydroponics as your trusted guide, you're set for success. Thank you so much for joining us in exploring the exciting world of hydroponic herb gardening. We hope this video has inspired you to start your own garden and enjoy the fresh, vibrant flavors right from your home. If you have any questions or need tips to get started, don't hesitate to drop us a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.